Have you ever thought about how and where to touch an older woman? For many, this might feel like an enigma, but the reality is touching these specific areas on an older woman has the potential to forge a profound and unforgettable bond with her. Today I'm going to uncover the 7 spots that can make any older woman experience a blend of attraction and fascination, leaving her completely captivated by you. But don't be fooled, it's not just about physical touch. It's about understanding the emotional intimacy and subtlety that come with these gestures and touches. Imagine being the man who knows exactly where and how to touch, awakening feelings she thought she had left behind, feelings that no one else could make her feel again. I should mention that the first 2 touches can create intense and thrilling sensations in her, but the 5th and final touch is the key to leaving any older woman completely hypnotized by you. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel. If you haven't already, give it a thumbs up and activate the notification bell. Without further ado, let's get started. Number 1, the lower back. Let's lower back. Explore the lower back at first glance. It may seem like just a common area, but don't be fooled by its apparent simplicity. This region carries an unusual power or capacity to convey security and warmth when you place your hand there, with an almost imperceptible lightness you're offering. More than a touch, you're communicating a profound message. I'm here for you. Picture the moment you're walking together through a crowded space or climbing a staircase, and your hand gently rests on the lower part of her back. This gesture, although small, carries a strong message at saying that you are tuned into her needs, ready to guide her, offering silent and steady support. This subtle touch conveys security and confidence, a care that doesn't need words to assert itself. It's like a silent presence that communicates everything necessary for the communication to work. The touch must always be soft and fluid, without appearing as if you're trying to dominate or invade her space. Think of it as a constant symbol of protection rather than something you impose. Number 2, the nape. Now let's talk about the nape, even more intimate and sensitive area than nape. This is one of the most delicate parts of a woman's body, and a well-placed touch there can be truly striking. Since it's often exposed, it's perfect for a light and affectionate touch. Additionally, being a vulnerable point, it needs to be approached with great care and respect. By gently caressing the nape, you can create a special moment. You're not just creating a sense of closeness, but also a deeper emotional connection. This touch isn't just physical, it shows how much you value the trust she places in you. By touching this sensitive area, you signal respect for her vulnerability, creating a moment of true intimacy. However, it's essential that the touch on the nape is light and subtle. It's not about pressing or massaging. No, it's about offering a delicate, almost ethereal touch. Sometimes a light caress with the fingertips is enough to evoke shivers and awaken deep sensations. This touch can be incredibly powerful during affectionate moments, like during a hug, while holding her face, the arm, or even when you pass close to her. Number 3, the arm. The arm, it may seem unexpected, but the arm is a true hero when it comes to creating moments of intimacy and seduction. Imagine yourself in a deep and sincere conversation with a woman, exchanging thoughts and emotions. In that moment of connection, a gentle caress or a light touch on her arm can create a physical bond that reflects the depth of the emotional relationship between you. This gesture conveys that you are truly present and engaged, showing a genuine investment in the conversation. The secret: ensure that the touch feels natural and spontaneous. It's not about grabbing her arm. No, it's about allowing your hand to move fluidly toward her arm as you lean in to listen better or emphasize an important point. It's a touch that speaks without words, reinforcing the closeness and emotional involvement. It's the true art of subtlety and connection. What makes this gesture so special is its versatility. It doesn't matter if you're sitting at a table or standing side by side, the arm is always within reach, ready to be the setting for a delicate touch. Number 4, the knee. This region. The knee has incredible potential to generate intimacy and seduction, especially when touched with intention and care. Picture the scene: you're together, perhaps watching a movie or enjoying a glass of wine. Your hand gently rests on her knee as you talk. While it may seem like a simple gesture, it carries a profound meaning. This light touch creates a sense of closeness and comfort, helping to strengthen the connection between you. The trick: keep the touch soft, valuing the emotional connection rather than focusing on physical excitement. It's not about applying pressure. It's about conveying a trustworthy presence, showing that you are truly connected with her. Whether in a movie theater, watching a film, or walking hand in hand, the knee is an accessible area, ideal for a delicate touch. Try it out and see how she draws closer and feels more valued with this discreet gesture. Number 5, the waist. The waist. Now let's talk about the waist of place that can deepen the connection between you, express affection, and reach new levels of intimacy. The waist is an extremely sensitive area, and a touch here can express a wide range of feelings, from protection and closeness to desire and passion. This touch reveals a lot about what you're feeling. Imagine you're dancing together, moving to the rhythm of the music. Your hand gently rests on her waist, offering a touch that is both affectionate and secure. As you move in perfect harmony, this gesture conveys a sense of protection and closeness, reinforcing the connection and commitment between you. However, remember that the touch on the waist should always be respectful and consensual. You're not forcing or trying to control the situation. Instead, you're providing firm and welcoming support. This gesture is versatile and can be used in various situations, whether taking a photo, walking together, or snuggling on the couch. Number 6, the hands. While they may seem like a common choice, when held with care, hands can become extraordinarily intimate and seductive. Imagine a situation where you're sitting face to face, perhaps in a cafe or restaurant, immersed in a deep conversation. You extend your hand and hold hers, enveloping it with a soft yet firm touch. This J gesture, while simple, conveys a warm and authentic connection, as if your hands are intertwining naturally. In that moment, you're demonstrating complete attention and care, showing that you are fully present. The touch should be gentle and natural, without forced pressure, but with contact that offers security and comfort. Number 7, the wrist. Now let's explore the allure of the wrist, a delicate and romantic area of a woman's body. The inner wrist in particular is extremely sensitive, and a soft touch in this region can evoke a sense of sensuality and closeness. Imagine the scene as you bring her wrist close to your lips. You give a light and affectionate kiss on that sensitive area. This intimate and personal gesture creates a moment that feels like a shared secret between you, filled with charm and seduction. In this instant, you elegantly and subtly demonstrate your interest and admiration. It's important that the touch is gentle and fleeting, leaving no marks or invading her space. Instead, you suggest a greater intimacy in the future, offering only a subtle glimpse of what may come. Whether you greet her or say goodbye, the wrist is an ideal and seductive point of contact. Try it and see how she reacts, feeling desired and appreciated. So try it, and thanks for watching. Subscribe for more videos.